Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve a question from the topic of respiration in the subject of biology O levels. The statement of the question is the diagram shows two experiments on the gaseous exchange in small aerobic oceans. Soda lime absorbs the carbon dioxide. So here are the two setups. Number one is P and second is Q. The only difference is in one tube soda lime is there. In the second tube, glass beads are there instead of the soda lime. So the question is, which way does the liquid marker move? Understand how the liquid marker moves, we need to look at the volume of the gases O2 taken in versus CO2 given out inside each closed test tube system during the aerobic respiration. And here is the equation of the aerobic respiration, that is glucose plus oxygen forms carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. For every molecule of the O2 the crustaceans absorb, they release approximately one molecule of the CO2. Therefore, if no chemicals are added to change the gases, the overall volume of the gases inside the tube remains constant. Analysis of the tube P with soda lime respiration. The aerobic crustaceans taken in CO2 gas from the tube and release CO2 gas. The role of the soda lime is, the problem states that soda lime absorbs the carbon dioxide. So as soon as the crustaceans exhale CO2, it is chemically removed from the air inside the tube. So net gas volume will be O2 level, it decreases consumed by the crustaceans, and CO2 level do not increase absorbed by the soda lime. So the result will be the overall volume and the pressure of the gas inside the P decreases. This drop in pressure creates a slight vacuum, pulling the colored liquid marker inward, which is to the left. Analysis of the tube Q with the glass beads control. So just like the tube P, the crustaceans taken in CO2, the crustaceans take in O2 and release CO2. The role of the the glass beads are chemically inert. They do not absorb any gases. They are only there to ensure the total volume of the empty space matches the tube P. So net gas volume will be, as O2 is consumed, it is replaced by an equal volume of the released CO2. So the total volume and the pressure of the gas inside the tube Q remains constant. Because there is no pressure change, the colored liquid marker stays still. So the right answer is B part. In tube P, the liquid marker will move towards left, and in tube Q, it will stay still. Thank you so much.